Now, King Carlitos, so that's the boy who friends, almost friend King Carlitos. That's Carlos Alcaraz. King Carlitos, very talented. Now H3. So once again, who success story out there? Oh, when I collect it, no H3 no study ball tennis with the father, 3 years old. The first tournament at age 5. I did on pen say ube channel. Then very very angry on pen defeat. He grew with that. Age 7, second tournament. Age 15. By age 15, no, about 12 tournaments.
Age 15?
Yeah.
About
so I had mistakes. So that is him, you know, with the racket. That's the dad. On our left side. The dad knee. Very young boy.
SOMPA Sports.
Now, so let's get to the details. Now, of course, on any day, nobody go. Remember the curse of 7, no? The curse of 7. There's a curse of 7. Remember the curse of 7. But on any day, the established order of Wimbledon, Nipa Mienupe, Memano, Roger Federer, 8-time champion, Novak 7. Now, don't forget Novak cried here. For the past 4 years, he's dominated Wimbledon.
Yes.
Senior COVID and going 5. Tiokaso year we 5. Now, going to this, the first timer, Carlitos, a grass final, the Queens. Queens, no, one of the tournament, your Bemia, your Queens, or a classic England Open. Ama prepare for the Grand Slam Obeko tournament be similar features.
SOMPA Sports.
We are Grand Slam or Queens. And only Alex Deminaire. Alex Deminaire or Australian young talent. One of the young talent everybody be. So they say. Now, we on your grass court player, every Spanish, including his coach, Juan Carlos Ferrero, are winning Grand Slam 2013. Almost Spanish be a year. 1, a clay court player. 2, hard court.
Oh, okay.
Every Spanish. Because when you ban court no clay kwane okrum. But this boy was an amazing genius. Because even Queens no crowd semi-final not tito. Even the Queens. Because onye too comfortable with the grass no. But how are we adapt here against the maestro of this Papa we ohuni wabwa Roger Federer I'm talking about Novak. He beat Roger Federer he Roger Federer 3 times grass court is that Novak Roger Federer 3 times here. So about grass court here or your master or your maestro.
Oh nimsu ejuma no.
Thank you. But nia kole here you know. Look, there's one thing, the technical ability of this boy and Emma Eyehunu. So you go first set. First set, you know, on say Novak, that's typical of Novak. Or Ranipa. So we decided say he will use the forehand and play against the boy's backhand. Emma or a young boy 20 years or Pukakra. And I feel or on 4 or 7 on 4 zeros and a Novak channel 6-1. So he lost the first set by 6-1. Now second set, you know, I no. Timer Carlos Alcaraz a breaking Novak for the first time the second set and a crowd no start here. Carlos. Almost started Carlos now Novak breaking no back. And a sign Nissan say Nissan say and Nissan so na sum say muye de kwa. You understand? And then my crowd no bufu ye. So that also affects psychology. Crowd no omuye. I feel almost sorry ye dede. Now I'm afraid no your Novak nickname.
Oh, okay.
So the crowd was so away a second sign of the okay. Where New York can say I'm intelligent. But the other one, yes, no, just say, muye dede, na me Novak, mo come on to higher.
Now we just intelligent.
Yes. So infuriated the crowd. And he Neom said Adi Assange said when he was leading 6-5 and he was going to serve a set point no across 7-5. And the master of backhand you know the master of backhand 2 backhand in bonnet dabe kwetiao. He couldn't believe it. And backhand down the line precision is the master. And then small boy, you know, at the back count down the line, I claw back to 6 to go for a tie break. Now the king of tiebreak, 15 consecutive times, 15 times, who caught tiebreak in the Grand Slam, a total of 15 times. King of grass, lose tiebreak. King of tiebreak, lose tiebreak. So when he lost the tiebreak, and Australian or smiling or cassette a crowd, no, hey, crowd no jiga ebu. So the entire crowd there was angry, almost supporting Carlos. Third set, and then and now you saw Carlos in his top class movement. Oh, Carlos, what put him master to the sword. Carlos, master,
SOMPA
backhand,
Sports.
down the line, precision, pace, onto me. Carlos, the movement and quickness to the net, something that master of Nema Miboino, or no Novak. I feel Novak on forced errors. We are so we anchor. So now he's also showing how intelligent is with only Carlos no. Or in the sun so Carlos replied to Nia Novak no. Say we a nyansa. Nia my boy a nyansa pa. So even though a young guy, no, I mean, I don't know what you do is that at this moment you need to have courage and respecting him. So when he did that, he came to himself, won by 6-1. It's rare so better Novak 6-1 in the Grand Slam final. No. No. Yes, that's what it is. Yes. I reply no. Now, fourth set no Novak, ground strokes, good movement, drop shot. And I feel the Novak Bechere said me the master corner of Djokovic. So I need to prove a point because champions die hard. But fifth set, no. But let me even go to before the fifth set. Let me talk about the third set. The third set, the young man broke him twice, and also he's on head of Djokovic breaking it twice on the staff. No, you don't do that on the staff. For 10 years, once I and the Muri 2013 and the Muri trying to 3-7, it's never long here 10 years. Now 26 minutes, deuce baku 13. You know, say you caught 40 all.
Yes.
And a deuce.
Yes.
You caught advantage in Asamba 13 times in 26 minutes.
13 times.
Yes. That shows you the intensity and the crack and the quality at 26 minutes. 13 times deuce.
Wow.
Before a young man win here. Now, fifth set, no, once again, we are melted down. Novak are melted down. Like Neman Kuyima, no. Young man, Novak SOV volley. And unfortunately for volleys, Jeffery, Novak is second.
SOMPA
The volley
Sports.
caught down. Kakraka. Ako bonnet. And a young man, I decided, say, okay, once again, the back countdown to line. I have to give credit to Juan Carlos Ferrero. Say, Wachira Kolai, the weapon of weakness of Novak, and I can exploit it. I have to give it to him. Excellent tactic. Don't forget the French Open when losing to Onoprai on your cramps.
Yes.
Now, NT, what happened was that Obreki Novak in the fifth set 2-1, 7-3-1. No? And now Novak bufuye. And all a friend is saying, I call transfer ne kunye no the racket no. At the ball net post no. Net post no ye. Adriano Bako, Miru ne ohano. Bako ne net post no the boy. Nano a code violation too. Say umpire Fergus Murphy, a man warning for doing that. But clearly Nkoyi. Now here he was arguing the umpire said, yes, it's a meltdown. It happens. It's a meltdown. Okay, ni America trouble Anthony Joshua ni Usyk no.
Yes.
Our the titles ni na go fem no.
Two winning na go baby.
Edu had asemaba. So they say, sure. This Novak Djokovic doing this meltdown. David, Masa, Nkoyi. I collect good many months were ye hailing me as a king. And he a Barsano, I mean, clearly you could see he lost it. And then a young man served 5-3 Nuka Nebufu drop shot. A drop, he's a master of drop. Like Bibia, the boy double up. And Adibakwa boy the coverage, the movement of court. Every part of the grass he covered it because Akwado or ye sharp or ye quick or ye athletic. Very, very athletic like Rafa Nadal. Or energy. And every shot he returned every shot. So for me, great performance from him. My NTA Novak on now I'll continue part tomorrow. There's a lot because first of all, is it a new order and the end of the era of the old guards watching out till 30 years?
Coach Apple once more. We could come here and show a pagan and cigar. 2.5 million pounds. Or pay the bagan and cigar man.
So any papa best son, any papa, things will change the family. Yeah.
Oh, I'm proud of him.
Oh, Master,
I had the power.
Oh, it's true. I mean, look, like I saw Chinamato, this boy said Naomi Osaka by stop piece now Williams 2018 US Open.
Yeah.
Chess no the new order, but they could see saying. That's the only thing I'll pray for. Send papa bet me Tiano because we need 2.5 million
at the age of 20.
BMW Amano, new latest car no. They and no the mano. Yes, the mano, brand ambassador.
BMW.
Yes.
Mama no latest car.
So it is a no banner papa no one tia kwa no onye ni train no to us or ye so yeah. One show na kwese na music.
Also mate. Bye. Como vizi ni ana kaze Jordan opana ya na wonya to pass ama. O le me de kra lan kam peke se. But yeah, 500 or 100,000 pay.
SOMPA Sports.
Also 500,000 I do the on fat or mom or the end no crowd or mommy
20,000 pounds.
I'm a fine
20,000
pounds an hour. Oh, then they're bad. I'm at the crowd to Mumma leave. Me call me Biaba. Bishop, now,
20,000 pounds.